Yo, this how to start this month?
Yeah.
So alive. Why you got a ball in your hand like you trying to do something? We on the court? What you?
We finna get a one-on-one.
You trying to get a one-on-one?
Yeah.
What the hell? How long was you here? Well, I told you to come by yourself.
We just trying to hoop.
We just trying to get.
Oh, I don't mess with these dudes, but they some snakes, dick.
Come on, bro. I'm not gonna lie, we just gotta leave that in the past. The past.
Bro, it's 5,000.
We gave it back,
I'm saying, bro, we gave it back.
Cause y'all seen the camera.
I mean,
you know we was gonna do it.
I'm
back,
saying.
bro. We would've just been like, it's a prank or something.
So it was a reverse prank?
some shit like that.
Yeah.
Alright, I believe
You
y'all.
know, we gave it back though.
I believe
Y'all
y'all.
some real niggas we is.
So y'all really trying to hoop?
Yeah.
Well, it's you can hoop? Yeah.
Nah,
Hell
you
nah,
should
I
record,
can't
bro.
You should record?
Yeah.
Or this on my keys, dick.
Yo.
Alright.
Yo, who think?
That think we finna hoop.
This duck ass nigga think we finna hoop. Didn't say too much. Yeah.
Man, you ass. Man, one dribble. I take notes.
I'm in. Look.
Hey, I need a break.
I'm not gonna, I need a break, bro.
Yeah.
I need a break. I come on, see, we gotta think of
Yo,
something.
you niggas see what I did to that duck ass nigga?
We gonna come back.
You wanna take the camera?
Take that nigga shit. Take this nigga shit. This duck ass. Fuck all this. Fuck all this. Go.
Yo, he coming, go.
Yo, fuck this duck ass nigga. Yo, go back on him.